Brother, I know you are struggling to give your absolute all to your current project. You are being pulled in a million different directions. Your family want you to do one thing, your friends want you to do another, maybe your girlfriend wants you to do something else, and you are in the middle fighting against all these outside forces whilst trying to do what you want. And this is your sign that you need to go all in on what you want, because I promise you, when you get there, it is going to be worth it. Sure, during this process, you can listen to people's opinions and what they say. But once you have your heart and your eyes set on what you want to achieve, it is important to not stray from that task. It is always good to hear what loved ones say, okay? But remember, your parents only want the best for you. And for the best for you, it means a stable job, a stable income, right? Your girlfriend, she just wants you for who you are now, right? If your goals involve you changing, that's scary to her. So she does not want that. And your friends want what's best for them. They want you to join them on that night out so they can have a bit of entertainment, a bit of fun. And guess what? You have to deal with that the next morning. You have to do what's best for you, because throughout this whole life, the only person you have the whole time is you. No matter who is by your side now, the one person who is 100% going to be there on your deathbed is you. So, do you want to look back and think, yeah, that night out was really worth it, right? It was, yeah, I'm glad I XYZ happened from that night out. Or do you want to be, I'm glad that business was built, right? Now I'm passing that down to my son, and my grandson inherit it, and my family don't have to worry about anything. This is your sign to go absolute all in and fight against all the odds. You have to understand that if you want to go all in, it's only plan A. You have to burn all bridges. You are now in the trenches where trench foot is rampant, right? You're running out of ammo. There's no food, right? People are dying all around you. It's a massacre. But you are in there slogging it out, trying to win. There are people in those trenches with you too, trying to win. But it's all about you, okay? It's all about you. You have to do what's best for you. No one else in this world is going to get up at 5, 4, 3 a.m. and start grinding to achieve your dreams, right? You're the only one that can do that. Do you remember that time last month where you had that hour lie-in because you were tired? Do you remember how tired? You were really tired that day, weren't you? You were so tired. No, of course you don't remember that. Just like when you have a lie-in tomorrow because you're a bit tired when you wake up, you're not going to remember. You're not going to remember how tired you were, but you're going to seriously see the effects that lie-in gave, because you've got a to-do list. You've got things that need doing. You've got things that need checking off, but they've not been done because you had that lie-in, right? Are you starting to see the problem? The only way you can go absolute all in is if you do it. You have to just do it. And day 1 is going to be hard. Day 2 is going to be hard. Day 30 is going to be hard. But after a few months, it's going to get a bit easier and a little bit easier. And you're going to be tired every day. Okay? You have to accept that your new life comes with being tired a lot, drained mentally and physically, stressed beyond all belief. But do you want to know why you're going to win? It's because 99.9% of people can't handle the things and feelings you're going to go through. Only the top 0.1% can go through that, and that's why the top 0.1% win, right? This is what you must do. You must battle against all odds in order to achieve the life you want, and make sure that all outside forces pulling you in all different areas in which you don't want to go are neutralized. Those have to be stopped. Friendships have to be cut off. Priorities have to be set. You must do whatever it takes in order to win.